Welcome again in my class. Today I am going to solving the equations in your exercise 2.5 part 6. Up to question 4 already students I explained in the last part. So now let's start question number 5. 2t minus 2 by 4 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 and 2 by 3 minus t. Students, here also 3, 3 and 4. LCM take out and here upon nothing, then you taking 1. And what the LCM? 4, 3 and 3 and 1. Yes, it is 12. So we multiply LCM 12 on the both side. Only just to multiply 12. So each term multiply with 12. Here also 12. Here also 12. And that type of terms is also 12. So 3t minus 2 by 4. 2t plus 3 by 4. 3. Here 2 by 3. And here t by 1 is as it is. It's very easy process. Now 3 6s are 12. 3 4s are 12. My mistake, students. 3 4s are 12. Here again 3 4s are 12. And here 4 3s are. So you're getting only 3. 3t minus 2. 4. 2t plus 3. And here 4 2s are 8. And here 12t is same as students. So here 3t minus 2 as it is, multiply by 3. Here multiply by 4 and here 8. So this 3 with first, with second. So 9t, 3 2s are 6. Here always sometimes students here mistakes here. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. But minus plus minus. So 4 2s are 8 minus 4 3s are 12. And here 8 minus 12t is as it is. Now students, you just collection for your like terms. 9t minus 8t, which is t only 1. And 6 minus 12, minus 6 minus 12, minus 18. And here 8 minus 12t is students same as, one more time repeat, 90 minus 80, it is 1t only. And minus 6 minus 12, this is minus 18. Now 1t and 12t both collection, you getting 1t plus 12t is equal to 8 plus 18. Students, this 8 and this 18 both high collection. So minus 18 convert right side, plus 18. So how many t's are? 13t. And 18 and 8? Yes, 8 and 8, 16. 1 carry, 26. It means t is equal to 26 by 13. How much? It is 2s are. Yes, 13 2s are your easy and easy answer. So students, this numerical is also easily done for taking your LCM 4, 3, 3 and 1. Okay, most probable students mistakes here. Minus plus, here converting always minus. Okay, and then after easily this question 5 is done. Students, after ending t equal to 2, I move ahead question number 6. This question is also IMP for exam level. Question is there, m minus 1 by 2, 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Students, here you just take out upon 1 and taking LCM 1, 2, 1, 3. Yes, I hope you understood LCM is a 6. So we multiply LCM 6 on the both side. Yes, only 6 multiply to first term. Here also second term. And here also 6 ones are. And here 6 m minus 2 by 3. And start out 2 multiplications. So 2 3s are gone. Here 3 2s are gone. And only remaining here 6m minus 3 m minus 1. Here 6 1s are 6. Here 2 m minus 2. Now students, here one of the turning point. to your multiplication terms. Only and only I just multiply 3 into m and 3 into 1. These are the changing. Minus, minus, plus. Same here. This minus, minus, plus. So, you getting just 6m minus 3m plus 3 ones are 3 is equal to right side 6m, here 2m and 2 twos are, yes, 2m and 2 twos are 4, minus minus plus. So finally you going 6m and 3m are like terms, which is 3m. Here also 6 and 4, 10 minus 2m. Yes, finally done. You taking the like terms here, this m and this m. So minus 2m convert to right to left side, 3m plus 2m and is equal to, this 3 you take right side, so 10 minus 3. So my answer is 5m is equal to 7. Yes students, finally finished. Now you just multiply how many? Yes, multiply by 5. On both sides this cancel. You getting only m is equal to 7 by 5 and this numerical is also done here. But main IMP step is this one, minus minus plus. Here also minus minus plus. Mostly students making mistake here in these steps, here plus and here plus. Why? Because the product value is multiplied at this step is main step. I just highlight for you for better understanding. Okay, for only this one. Yes students. Now next. Now students, after ending our m is equal to 7 by 5, I move ahead question number 7. Same as question 3, t minus 3 is equal to 5 to t plus 1. Students, here also I just highlight, these are the multiply 3 with 3, here also. Same as 5 with 2t and 5 with 1. And simplify first of all, after that you get your answers. So here 3 into t same, 3 3s are 9. Here 10t and 5 ones are 5. Now you collect your like terms 3t and 10t. These are the like terms. So 10t take right to left side. So 3t minus 10t and here minus 9 left to right side plus 9. So how much it is? Minus 70. And here 9 and 5. I hope you understood. It is 14. Now divided by 7. Both sides. You declare divide 7 on both sides. So 7 2s are and 7 1s are. These are 2s are. So minus t is equal to 2. So what is t? Yes. T is equal to only and only minus 2. And it's easily and happily done. Now students, after ending your t equal to minus 2, question number 7. Now I go to 8th one. 15y minus 4 minus 2y minus 9 plus 5y plus 6. Here also students, this 5 multiply, 2 multiply, and here 15 also multiply. But these are the turning point because minus minus plus. So 15y, 15 4s are, yes, 60 minus 2y, 9 2s are 18. But minus minus how many? Yes, it is plus. Students, these are the our turning point. Mostly students mistakes here doing for minus minus plus. And here nothing. 5 into y, 5y plus 6 5s are 30. Yes, 6 5s are 30 and is equal to 0. Now you collect your like terms. 5y like terms, minus 2y like terms and 15y like terms. So 15y minus 2y plus 5y. And this like term are minus 60 plus 18 and plus 30. These are as it is. How many here? 15 minus 2? Yes, it is 13y plus 5y. Further calculate, it is 18y. And here, these are the how much? Minus 60 and 30. minus 30 plus 18 as it is, and this also you know it is minus 12 students, and minus minus plus, so 18y minus 12 is equal to 0. So what is 18y? Is equal to 12, and here students ending your sum. Only and only I just divided by 18 here. Yes. So y is equal to 12 by 18. And you know the 12, 6 2s are, 18 also known, 6 3s are. So this 6 gone. You have to only y is equal to only and only students 2 by 3. And this answer is your easily ending and finish sum 2 by 3 answer. Students, one more interesting numericals. Question number 9. 3 5z minus 7 minus 2 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 8z minus 13 and minus 17. So first of all, these 3 I multiply here, students. These 2 also multiply, and 4 also multiplying that. But here a turning point, because minus and minus, what is showing? Yes, showing that plus. So here 5 3s are 15z, 7 3s are 21, minus 9 2s are 18z, and 11 2s are 22. But minus and minus, how many? It is plus. And here also same. 8 4s are 32. Yes, 8 4s are 32. Minus 13 4s are 52. And minus 17 is as it is. Yes, 13 4s are 52. And 17 is as it is. Now students, you collect your like terms. These are the like terms. 15z, 18z. So both are the collect. 15z minus 18z. And this also collection. 22 minus 21. And then after, right side I showing 2. Here are minus 3z. Plus here only 1. 22 minus 21. And what is the right side your value? 32z minus 52 minus 17. These two are the like terms. Yes, so you making the common and combine both value. Minus minus plus, but symbol minus. 7 plus 2 9, 5 plus 1 6. It is 69. So here 32z minus 69 is same as. Now students, you get the like terms. Minus 3z and minus 32z. These are you collect combine. So minus 3z minus 32z is equal to minus 69 and minus 1. This plus 1. Left side to right side translate. So how many it is? Minus 35z. And here minus 70. 32 and 3. 35. Minus minus plus. But symbol minus no. This minus and this minus gone. Only I have z is equal to 70 by 35. And it is 2z. So finally your z value is a 2. And that's the done, students. Z is equal to here 35 2s, huh? And here happily here question number 9 also done. Students, this numerical is also IMP for exam level, and this step is a student's turning point. I again revise you. This minus and minus, you getting here plus. Mostly students here mistake doing, so I just highlight. And you making the points wise, these are the minus minus plus. Now students, one more numerical is a IMP questions. Question number 10. So before starting, you just highlight that one is a IMP sum. Many time asking in your exams. So 0.25, 4f minus 3, 0.05, 10f minus 9. So point wise given. So students, first of all, I just this converting into without point 25 by 100. This same. Here also 5 by 100, because 2 digit no 0.0. So it is apply same, and 10f minus 9 is same as. So finally this cancel. 25 4s are 100. This cancel, 20s are 100. You getting just 4f minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 10f minus 9 upon 20. Yes. Now I move ahead to cross multiply. So cross multiplying that 20 with the first term and 4 with the second term. Either you taking LCM as you like, students. This both same process. Now this 20 multiply to both, 4 multiply to both. So here 20 into 4, 80f. 3 to the 6, it is 60. And here it is a 40f because 10 into 4, 40. And minus 9 4s are 36. Finally, students, you getting here one of the little products value. It means you going to easily values for your f. So 80f and 40f, you make the collection combine 80f and 40f. How many? 80f minus 40f is equal to minus 36 plus 60. Students, this minus 60 you turn out to right side plus 60. Now 80 minus 40. How many? Yes, it is 40f. And 60 minus 36. How many? 60 minus 36. Here 5. Here 10 carry. And 10 minus 6, here 4, and 5 minus 3, it is 2, means 24. So, finally you did f is equal to 24 by 40. This 40 you divided. Now, turning to cutting. 6 4s are 24, 10 4s are 40, 4 4 gone. Again this cancellation by 6 by 10, it is possible to. 3 2s are 5 2s are 2 2 gone. So what is the f? Yes, 3 by 5 is your final value for this f. And students, this numerical is the IMP because your point wise given solution you make first of all simplify in the least forming, and after that taking students here cross multiplying and try to arrange by the like terms and constant outside. After that solution, it's very simple and easy. Yes, students. Students, ending here our this parts, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and forward to your in friend circles. Okay, bye bye. See you.